Hello, today we'll start with the first assignment of object-oriented programming, that is overloading operators plus star and stream insertion and stream extraction operators for input and output of complex numbers. Okay, let us see what is task involved in that. As per the list of assignment given by university, the first assignment includes following tasks. The first is we have to create a default constructor to create complex number. The second task we have to overload plus operator, and we have to overload star operator for plus for adding the complex number and star for multiplying the complex number. So I have already created one, I have posted one video which explains how to overload the operator plus for addition of complex numbers. So you can go through that video first and then you can come to this video to check the star operator and other remaining operators. Okay, the fourth task is overloading the stream extraction operator, which we use along with the say cin, okay, for accepting the input. So here we have to use it to accept the complex number. Then the fourth operator is stream insertion operator, which is used to along with cout for displaying the contents. But whenever we will see cout and this stream insertion operator and c1, that is complex number, it should output it. So let us see example, so your understanding will be more clear that how our operator overloading should work. For example, in our program, if we have object C1 to C4 like this, then if we write C3 equal to C1 plus C2, then it should be able to add two complex number which are C1 and C2. Okay, if I'm writing C3 equal to C1 into C2, that means this statement should be able to multiply two complex numbers. Okay, and when I'm saying Cin and this operator which is given along with the Cin, and then C1, then this statement should be able to accept the complete complex number, that is real part as well as imaginary part. Now the last operator is stream insertion operator along with cout. So whenever I am saying cout and C1, it should display the complex number C1 onto the screen. This is what expected by this assignment. Okay, so for solution, as I told you, I have already posted a video for plus overloading. Now we'll see for star and this input and output operator. So cout is an object of ostream class. So ostream class is already present in C++, and cout is object of that kind. Now cout is used along with this operator which we are going to overload. Similarly, cin an object of istream class for accepting the input along with this operator. So we must overload these operators as a global function. So we should not write these operators overloading function inside the class. We should write it outside the class, and these functions need to access private members of the class. So how it will happen? So we have to make them as a friend functions. So we'll be writing operator overloading functions for both the operators, and we will be making it as a friend function. Now I am going to show you complete coding how we are going to do it. Okay, so you will be able to understand it. So we are starting with class complex. Okay, and this class complex will have private data members and public data members. Okay, so in private section we will write integer real comma imaginary, two variables, and in public section I will start with constructor. Constructor should have same name of that of class, and we have to create a default constructor. So integer r comma integer I for imaginary. Inside this constructor, what we have to write is real is equal to r and imaginary is equal to I. Okay, so we are assigning values to it. So it is said in the statement that we have to create a default constructor. So we'll make value 0. We'll assign value 0, default value 0 to these parameters. So whenever we are declaring the objects, it will assign value 0 to it. Now this public section we have to do. we have to override the plus operator. So what is return type of that? Complex is the name of a class. Okay, so complex operator and plus. Okay, parameters which we will be passing to it: complex, constant, one object we are passing. Okay, so we will take temporary variable of complex type as a result as we are adding. So result dot real is equal to real plus obj dot real. So what it means? Uh, it means that whatever object we will be returning, that will be the addition of whatever object which is passed, that is object dot real, plus whatever object which is passed along with this this plus sign. So if I am writing c1 plus c2, c1 real part is this and c2 real part is this, and c3 which will contain the result is this. Okay, so same thing I have to do with result dot imaginary part is equal to imaginary plus object dot imaginary, and I have to return the result. Okay, this completes plus operator overloading. Now we will do star operator overloading. Enter star into bracket complex constant and percent object. Okay, inside this we have to take one temporary variable, that is complex result, and we have to write multiplication formula. We know how to multiply the complex numbers. Now we are returning the result after multiplication. Okay, so this completes this operator star overloading. Now we have to write operator overloading function for say stream insertion operator. So that we will be writing outside the class. You can observe I am writing outside the class. Return type is OStream. Okay, and this is the return type of this operator overloading operator. We have to write into bracket OStream object. Some name we will give as out, and we are passing one object of type complex similar to previous functions, and inside this what I'll be doing, I'll be displaying using out. So out obj dot real part first, then out imaginary part display need to be like plus and I, and then the imaginary part, that is obj dot imaginary. So what I am doing here, whatever object is passed along with this operator. Okay, this is called as stream insertion operator. So whatever will be passed with it, I am displaying its real and imaginary part on the screen using the object of OStream. It is also returning some object. So return the out object which is OStream object, and this completes. Now I have written this function outside the class. Now how I'll be able to access members of this class? So I should make this function as a friend function of the above class, because I will be calling with C1, C2. Those are the objects of complex. So complex should know that this is my friend. So I will write it as friend and the complete definition. Similarly, that is stream extraction operator. Instead of OStream, it will have iStream. Operator will be reverse of this or Cin, and it will have iStream object as the first element in, and it will now not have constant when we use if we want to keep value as a constant, but for inputting we want to change it. Okay, so these two are the friend functions of this class complex. So now what is pending? Writing of the second function, which is say iStream function. So I will write content of this function. So here what we have to do, we have to say that enter real part. Okay, and then using this in operator you have to, sorry, using this in operator we have to accept it using obj dot real. Okay, then we have to say similar thing for imaginary part. Enter imaginary part, and we have to accept it in obj dot imaginary. Okay, now after accepting it, what we have to do is return that this in object, it will be returned to cin. This completes the function. Now in main function what we have to do, we have to create objects of complex class c1 comma c2 comma c3 and c4. Okay, let us see. Cout enter first number, so it will enter the, and then enter, it will ask for the first complex number, and using cin and this operator we will accept this c1, so it should work. Okay, and we will just display whatever we have accepted. The first number is and we have overloaded the operator along with cout and c2. Let us see whether it is working fine. Somewhere is the plus sign is missing. First number I have given as a real part as 10, imaginary as 20. So see the output, it is giving us 10 plus 20. So observe what I have done in main function. Cout enter the first number and I have accepted c1. After that I am saying cout and the first number which inputted is, and then I am displaying c1. So this both the objects name should be same. So it shows that our these two operators, that is stream extraction and stream insertion, both operators overloading is working finely. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll check whether addition and subtraction is, addition and multiplication is working. Enter first number, then here I will say enter second number, and I will accept c2 here, cin, c2. Okay, then I will add c3 is equal to c1 plus c2, and I will check whether the addition is working. let us check whether all is fine. So I am giving first part as 2, 2, second as 3, 3. So addition is 5 plus 5. Real part is 5 and imaginary is 5. So it is working finely. Okay. So the output, the addition is 5 plus I5. So 2, 2 and 3, 3 I am giving inputs. Now let us see. This is for checking the addition. Okay. Now what we have to check? We have to check multiplication. So for that purpose, C4 is equal to C1 into C2. Okay, and then we will be displaying the multiplication is. And here instead of C3 we have to write C4 because we are storing multiplication in C4. Let us check whether it is working. So first part I am giving as 2 real, 2 imaginary, 3 real, 3 imaginary. So the addition is given here and multiplication is given here. So we are done with the first assignment. Let us revise quickly what we have done. So we have written 4 functions. The first is to add the complex number. Just observe this. Okay. This is for multiplying the complex numbers. These two are the member functions of complex class. This in stream insertion and extraction operator, these functions we are writing outside the class and we are making them as friend of the complex class. So this function is for overloading the operator, stream insertion operator, which displays the output on the screen, and this is the function which is used to accept the input from the screen as a complex number. Okay, so this is all about the first assignment. Now if you have any questions about this explanation, you can post in the comments. I will try to answer all the questions.